Hey guys, back with another hair video. Watch me install this wig. This wig is by Beauty Forever Hair. It is their dark urban wig, 33B color, and I have it in 26 inches. This is a 13 by 4 lace frontal, so I thought I would just do the install on camera and just show you how I do it. I've done this many times. I do have a lot of videos for you to refer back to, but I just felt like doing just like a watch me install, so I won't be speaking throughout the video. So far I am only just cutting the lace and I'm going to try and fit that on my head. I find that it works better when I fix my laces. When I do my installs, I find it easier to do that before I have makeup on. It's much more seamless, but for the purpose of the video, obviously I'm just going to show you how I do it this way. So I'm just going to let the music play and just really show you how I get everything done. I will list all the products down below and let you know how I feel about the wig towards the end of the video. So I decided to curl it last minute. I was just gonna leave it in this natural curl, but I felt like it looked a lot more nicer and neater with an actual curl. So I used my tea tree curling iron, the one that has a clamp, just to get this curls. The hair is really soft. I didn't really add too much serum. I did add a little bit. The hair definitely did take to the curls. This is the length. I'm just showing you the length. So I wanted to add a bit more volume. So what I did was tip my hair forward. Obviously everyone knows this technique. When you brush your hair like this and then flip it back, it does add a bit more volume to your curls. The only thing I would say is this wig has a really small parting space. Obviously, as you can see when you part it to the side, that is the only space you get. But I wanted to try a side part instead of a middle part. I think you get a little bit more of middle part space, but this is all you get for a side part. But that's it for the video. I will list everything in the description box and info on the hair. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.